Welcome students. Today we will be doing chapter 1 from English Literature Reader, Seasons. The name of the author is not mentioned. That means it is anonymous. Anonymous means where the name is not mentioned. We don't know who has written. So seasons change throughout the year in most countries and there is a definite pattern to them. After spring comes summer followed by the rain. So after spring season comes summer season followed by the rains. That means monsoon season. Then there is a brief spell of autumn before the winter sets in. So before winter season we have autumn season. Seasons vary from region to region. So seasons differ from region to region. But the character depends on which part of the world we live. So we can find that there is a song or poetry on each season. Like you can see where that Christmas is celebrated in winter season. But Christmas is celebrated in Australia in summer season. So when we have winter season, Australia has summer season. So we can see seasons, they differ from one place to another place or region. So spring in most countries is a pleasant time. After the cold winter, the mellow warmth of spring, mellow means mild, warmth of spring is a welcome thing. Trees grow new leaves and flowers are in full bloom. So spring is a very pleasant time of the year because after the freezing cold winter, the gentle warmth of the spring is welcome. Trees grow new leaves and we can see colorful flowers blooming everywhere. The environment is filled with the songs of birds. Here are lines from a poem that describes spring beautifully. Here is a spring with green on his wing. Every day we can see greenery and blue in his eye. In warm tropical countries, summer is a time of too much sun. So like in warm countries like India, summer is a time of too much sun. So during the hot summer season, what do we want? We search for a cool shade to escape the scorching heat. Scorching heat means extremely heat and the blazing sun. Extreme heat of the sun. The heat of summer has been described thus. Noon swans beneath the heat it made and flower in within the shade. Flower in means even. Until the sun slopes in the west. Until the sun slopes in the west means until the sun sets in the west. So during summer what happens? Whole day we suffer from terrible heat till the sun sets in the west. Noon also faints beneath the heat and flower even within the shade. But in cold countries and in hilly regions, summer is most welcome. In cold countries we can see most of the time they have winter season and in hilly regions also. So in those places, people long for summer season. They want summer. They want little bit heat. So summer season is most welcome in cold countries. The little bird sits at his door in the sun. So the little bird also is very happy to sit at his door in the sun. A tilt like a blossom among the leaves. A tilt means moving like a wind. So the bird also sits and a tilt like a blossom among the leaves. He sings to the wide world. He is very happy that he sings. So after the heat of summer, the rains bring relief to warm countries like India. So after the scorching heat, what we want? We want rain. So when it rains, it brings relief. We feel relief. Brings relief to warm countries like India. Why? Because when it rains, it makes the weather cool. Nature looks fresh and green. There is greenery all around. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. However, the rains in cold countries can be quite unpleasant. Why? Rains in cold countries can be very unpleasant. Why? Because in cold countries it is already cold. The weather always remains cool. So in that case, if it rains, it makes cooler. Right? So it is very unpleasant in cold countries if it rains. Although the rainy season is necessary for the growth of crops and plants anywhere in the world, but we know rain is necessary for the growth of crops. We need water for the crops and plants, because if it doesn't rain, if we don't water, there may be drought. Okay. So autumn, like spring, is pleasant everywhere. So like spring season, autumn is also very pleasant, because during the autumn season it is neither too hot nor too cold. Like spring season also, it's neither too hot nor cold. The weather remains moderate. So like spring season, autumn is also pleasant. So this season is also called fall. Why fall? Because in autumn season the trees shed leaves and the leaves also turn yellowish in color. So children, this much for today. Next part of the chapter will be done in the next class. So if you have any confusion, do ask me in the live class, because I will be explaining again in the live class. Thank you, children.